guys. So, one ang mga gawat ubas ko. So, first kay, thank you sa naghatag. Yan, so naghatag. Diba? Kato yung box. Naman siya yung box, pero di pa lang, you know, so see, siya bag. And, hindi ko ba nakatanggap siya kayo ito? Kaya, so siya, ay, hindi na tanong. Bakit ang bilan? How much is this? Like, sa kanila, isa na siya kabo, pero 200 something na. $200 na siya. At you want me to unbox? It's like that, so nice. I want to see how it looks like. Okay, look at that. You don't have to work with the thing because it's different. It's not okay. See? It's very fancy, guys. Let me show you one. Fancy. Ooh, I like the color. Aesthetic. Oh, look! Look! Oh. So, ito na rin, ikaw na rin. There's actually something here, storage. I don't know how to open it, but nasa ko ang dito. Nasa nice and lock here. And nasa ka holder. Look, okay. Nasa ka holder. No, thank you, Peter. Oh, no. Nandito pa siya. Dili siya zipper. Look, it's not zipper. It's not zipper. Look.
What is it?
It's full. It's not zipper.
It's keys.
Yeah, look.
Oh, it's like really
I feel like the keys is inside, so I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna open it later na lang. So you can box it. Yes. So we have to stop for now. No, hindi ko siya. Thank you, Peter. Ito yung siya kuwan. Even though we do have lots of suitcase na. Thank you. Thank you, Kitty. Thank you. Okay, next. So we're done with that. And then, this one. Next is siya kanina. That ornament, pinatag sa iyang mama. And this one is another customized na ornament. Ito naman din mo, pero ano siya, customized na ornament with picture na mo, and then nakabutang na first Christmas is a Merry Chervanes Ek. So, ano siya, sa kanibutang gamit. Okay. So that's one. That's two. Oh yeah, that one. Hello, almost $300 siya, guys. So yeah. And then this one, ipauna nila mo on the way. So, peanuts lang siya. So, natin siya makakita. Kaya yung mamang gawin siya kung peanuts. Wala siya nakita siya sa pistachio, pero wala siya kita. So, kanina sa another one, since nakabantay ko siya magaling sa Starbucks na po. So, yeah, Starbucks cup! Another Starbucks cup. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. And this one, another cup, guys. Oh, diba? Christmas cup. And now, siya chocolate and something here. So, siya i-try later. And I think, what is it sa kanin? What is this? Next is one of my favorites. Pinalit ko sa Macy. Nabalot siya, no? Maganahan ko makeup. So, natin siya open. Ako lang siya open. So, I'm going to show you. Now, there's a thing in the, Mom gave. Like, check on the thing where you put the oil. So, makeup bag, pero na siya sa amin. And na siya makeup palettes. And naka siya something here. Kapag siya maganahan yung makeup tayo. Kita mo siya sa dalan sa makeup. Ito lang wash bag. So, and another makeup here. And then, magkabuta pa mga makeups there. Thank you so much. Excited ko gamitin. Actually, I'm gonna store all my makeup here. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. One naman lang ni siya. Kita ko sa price, ani. $50. $50? Yeah. $50. Pag mo lang iya cash. Alam ba lang ito yung lawat. Ako, you have me. Okay. Next is, bigyan namin yung kanang, look, nakuha na makeup. Pinala na may another cup eh.